Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Crystal. This episode I will introduce specific parts of the lamp disperser. Let's go and have a look. The lamp disperser has 5 different parts. Each part has its usage. I will show audience details. This is the dispersing disc. It is the most important function. Let the machine be working when rotating in high speed. And this is the tank, used for store the liquid material and used for working. And it is a fixed aim. Control the tank more stable when working in high speed. And it is the hand lifting system. This part is for change the motor height and find the best height for mixing materials in tank. And the last one, it is the operation box. It is used to control the machine. You can see when we have the power on, you can use the switch to change the speed more smoothly. Okay, that's all. In next episode, I will introduce specific SDF 515. If you like our video, don't forget to follow our channel, Hand and Chemical Machine.